Another year goes by and a New Year resolution goes out the door. Now you want to start fresh. This is perfect. This is a workout item system, all right, that I'm going to show you how it works. It comes with gloves. They include the gloves, all right, include the instructions, the charging station, the type A to type C. The charging station is going to be right underneath here, and this is going to last you for many hours on the workout. Right now, they give you a couple great things that if you live in an apartment building and you can't really drill too many holes, they give you the Velcro. All right, this is a plus. It's a double side adhesive, so you could paste this to the wall and then the Velcro will come out easily. Right now, if you have your own home, you could drill this to the wall too also. Now the screws are not included with it, but the Velcro is. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and set this up right now. We're gonna work out with it, but I just want to show you some of the features first. Now the foam itself, this is actually really strong foam, and it kind of feels like the interior of a car foam. All right, so very strong, durable. And then you have your buttons here, your speeds, your on and off, and of course your cycle, your LCD screen here. So we're going to turn it on. So turn it on, just hold down the button. The whole system lights up. All right, it turns blue and red, and then it starts. So the workout starts. You hit the start working out. That's pretty much it. You follow the lights. All right, and it's a hard workout. It's like, it reminds me of one of those Connect. I missed it. See what happened? All right, so we're gonna stop it. Now, another great thing that I forgot to mention, that you could set up your own Bluetooth, your own music. So this is the volume control here. If you guys can see, volume off and on, and then modes too. On modes, you can set up your own Bluetooth, your own music, and different types of actually exercises that you have included with there, right? Okay, another great thing about this thing, if it's not used within 3 minutes, it automatically turns off, saving its life battery for another day. So very simple out of the box. I hope you guys enjoy this video.